Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson FXE Super Glide Custom, $6,000, Highlands Ranch, Colorado. The 1975 Harley-Davidson FXE Super Glide captures the bold custom spirit that made Harley-Davidson's shovelhead era so iconic. This customized example features 2006 deluxe tins, a fat boy front end, white wall tires, and eye-catching candy teal blue paint, giving the bike a strong old-school custom appearance. Super Glide models became especially popular because they blended factory Harley performance with endless customization potential. Powered by a 1200cc engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, this FXE is described as running strong, despite currently needing a battery. Forward controls and classic styling details add to its vintage cruiser personality. For riders searching for an affordable shovelhead custom with authentic Harley character and strong visual presence, this Super Glide offers plenty of old-school appeal.
Number 2. 1972 BMW R75/5, $9,200, Wilmington, North Carolina. The 1972 BMW R75/5 remains one of the most respected vintage BMW airheads, known for smooth performance, reliability, and timeless German engineering. This example has reportedly received extensive mechanical refreshing, including electronic ignition, rebuilt carburetors, upgraded charging components, fresh tires, and a complete major service. BMW's /5 series became famous for dependable long-distance touring capability and comfortable everyday riding manners. Additional upgrades include touring bags, a rear rack, and a Corbin seat for improved comfort on longer rides. The seller describes the motorcycle as fully sorted and running perfectly after its restoration work. For enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-ride vintage BMW with classic boxer twin character, this R75/5 stands out as a beautifully maintained example.
Number 3. 1987 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 LE, $5,250, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1987 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 LE is a rare Italian sport motorcycle, with only around 100 examples reportedly imported into the United States. Known for its shaft drive layout, aggressive styling, and charismatic V-twin engine, the Le Mans series became one of Moto Guzzi's most respected performance motorcycles. This limited edition example remains mostly original, with just over 10,000 miles and recent service work completed. Maintenance reportedly includes fresh fluids, valve adjustments, spark plugs, and a conversion from the original linked brakes to a more conventional braking setup. The bike is described as starting easily and running very well overall. For collectors seeking a rare and highly distinctive vintage European sport bike, this Le Mans 1000 LE offers strong originality and collectible appeal. Number 4. 1981 Suzuki GS 750E, $2,950, Xenia, Ohio. The 1981 Suzuki GS 750E remains one of the standout Japanese performance motorcycles of the early 1980s, powered by Suzuki's advanced 16-valve TSCC engine. Compared to earlier GS 750 models, the E version delivered stronger performance and quicker revving characteristics, helping it earn a reputation as one of the more exciting middleweight sport bikes of its time. This example reportedly shows just over 4,000 miles since new. The motorcycle recently received fresh oil service along with a new set of Japanese IRC tires and is described as running very well overall. While the tank shows some cosmetic rust under the paint, the seller notes that it adds character to the bike's vintage appearance. For buyers seeking an affordable classic Japanese performance machine, this GS 750E offers strong value and authentic 1980s character.
Number 5. 1977 Harley-Davidson FXE, $10,500, Staunton, Virginia. This 1977 Harley-Davidson FXE is a heavily customized shovelhead that perfectly reflects classic American custom motorcycle culture. Featuring matching numbers and a rebuilt 74 cubic inch engine, the bike includes upgrades such as an Andrews cam,
S&S Super E carburetor, electronic ignition, belt drive setup, and polished engine components. Shovelhead customs from this era remain highly desirable because of their unmistakable sound and timeless styling. Additional features include stretched tanks, fishtail exhaust pipes, drag bars, progressive suspension, and dual disc brakes, all contributing to the bike's period-correct custom appearance. The seller describes the motorcycle as both mechanically strong and show quality overall. For enthusiasts looking for a true vintage Harley custom with authentic old-school presence, this FXE stands out as an impressive example.
Number 6. 1972 Honda CB750 K2, $4,300, Cashin, Arizona. The 1972 Honda CB750 K2 remains one of the most influential Japanese motorcycles ever built, helping redefine the performance motorcycle market during the early 1970s. Powered by a smooth 750cc four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, the CB750 became famous for combining reliability, comfort, and impressive performance in one package. This example reportedly runs and shifts well, while retaining desirable original HM341 exhaust pipes in very good condition. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, oil and filter service, fork seals, rear brake shoes, and a new chain, helping keep the motorcycle road-ready. While the paint and seat cover are not original, the bike still maintains much of its classic vintage Honda character. For riders seeking an affordable and highly collectible Japanese classic, this CB750 K2 continues to offer timeless appeal. Number 7. 1965 Vespa VBB 2T, $7,500, Sango, Tennessee. The 1965 Vespa VBB 2TT captures the timeless Italian scooter styling that made Vespa famous around the world during the 1960s. This fully restored example has been extensively rebuilt in the United States and upgraded with a modern LML Stella PX150-based two-stroke engine for improved reliability and usability. Vintage Vespas remain highly desirable because of their elegant design, lightweight handling, and unmistakable European charm. The scooter has also been converted from 6 to 12 volts and upgraded with electronic ignition for brighter lighting and easier starting performance. Nearly every component was reportedly replaced or restored during the build, and the odometer shows fewer than 4 miles since completion. For collectors or riders searching for a beautifully restored vintage Vespa with modernized reliability, this VBB 2TT stands out as an impressive example. Number 8. 1977 Husqvarna 250WR, $4,975, Washington County, Virginia. The 1977 Husqvarna 250WR represents the lightweight off-road performance that helped Husqvarna dominate enduro and trail riding competition during the 1970s. This custom Frankenvarna combines a modified 1977 WR frame with a 1978 250WR engine, creating a unique vintage off-road machine built for serious trail riding. Husqvarna motorcycles from this era remain highly respected for their lightweight handling, rugged construction, and competition heritage. The motorcycle reportedly received extensive restoration work, including new engine internals, suspension rebuilding, fresh ignition components, powder coating, and restored bodywork. Functional lighting and period-correct accessories further enhance its vintage off-road personality. For enthusiasts looking for a rare and carefully rebuilt classic enduro motorcycle, this Husqvarna offers strong collector appeal and authentic racing-era character. Number 9. 1975 Yamaha XS650, $5,250, Whitestone, Virginia. The 1975 Yamaha XS650 remains one of Yamaha's most beloved twin-cylinder motorcycles, known for its strong torque, simple mechanics, and endless customization potential. This example features custom gold and black paint, along with several tasteful upgrades, including custom mufflers, rear shocks, and a custom seat.
Vintage XS650 models continue to attract riders because of their reliability and classic parallel twin riding experience. Additional maintenance reportedly includes new Shinko tires, clutch components, ignition parts, spark plugs, and a new battery. While the motorcycle currently does not have turn signals installed, the wiring remains in place for future setup if desired. For buyers searching for a stylish and well-maintained vintage Yamaha with custom character, this XS650 presents a strong blend of usability and old-school appeal.
Number 10. 1974 Triumph T150 Trident 750, $4,500, United States. The 1974 Triumph T150 Trident 750 remains one of the most iconic British three-cylinder motorcycles ever produced, combining smooth performance with unmistakable vintage styling. Triumph's Trident models became highly respected during the 1970s for their strong power delivery and unique triple-cylinder character, helping them stand apart from traditional British twins of the era. This example is described as a clean and nice-running motorcycle presented largely in stock condition. Recent updates reportedly include new tires and a new battery, while matching numbers and a factory service manual further add to the bike's collector appeal. Although not described as a perfect showpiece, the motorcycle appears to remain a very honest and usable vintage British classic. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable Triumph triple with authentic old-school personality, this T150 Trident offers excellent value and timeless character.
Number 11. 1973 Kawasaki G4 TR100, $1,200, Cheyenne, Wyoming. The 1973 Kawasaki G4 TR100 is a lightweight vintage enduro that perfectly captures the fun and versatility of early 1970s dual-purpose motorcycles. Powered by a two-stroke 100cc oil-injected engine and equipped with a unique dual-range 10-speed gearbox, the G4 TR offered riders both street-friendly gearing and low-range off-road capability. Small displacement Kawasaki Enduros from this era continue to attract enthusiasts because of their simplicity, reliability, and nostalgic riding experience. This example is described as a strong-running and fully street-legal motorcycle with new tires, seat, carburetor jetting, fuel shutoff, and battery already installed. The seller notes that everything functions properly aside from slightly soft front shocks, while the bike still performs well even at higher elevations. For buyers searching for an affordable and enjoyable vintage trail bike, this Kawasaki delivers plenty of old-school character at a very approachable price.
Number 12. 1973 BMW R60/5, $4,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1973 BMW R60/5 remains one of the most recognizable classic BMW airheads, known for smooth boxer twin performance and timeless German styling. BMW/5 series became highly respected during the early 1970s for dependable touring capability, comfortable ergonomics, and long-lasting mechanical durability. Finished in a greenish-silver color, this example carries the clean and understated appearance that continues to attract vintage BMW enthusiasts today. With nearly 46,000 miles shown, the motorcycle appears to remain a solid and usable classic road machine. Air-cooled BMW twins from this generation continue to grow in popularity because of their reliability and simple maintenance design. For riders seeking an affordable entry into vintage BMW ownership, this R65 offers classic boxer character and strong everyday usability.
Number 13. 1975 Bultaco Matador MK9, $3,100, Longmont, Colorado. The 1975 Bultaco Matador MK9 represents the rugged off-road heritage that made Spanish motorcycles highly respected in enduro competition during the 1970s. Designed as a dual-purpose machine capable of both trail riding and street use, the Matador combined lightweight handling with strong two-stroke performance. The seller notes that this particular model was relatively rare with very limited dealer distribution, adding additional collector interest today. This matching numbers example has reportedly been owned for more than 20 years and still retains its original metal fuel tank, which was refinished in factory-style colors and decals several years ago.
While a few details still need attention, the motorcycle remains rideable and full of vintage off-road personality. For enthusiasts searching for a rare and distinctive classic enduro bike, this Bultaco offers strong historical appeal and unique character.
Number 14. 1980 BMW R100T, $5,000, Durango, Colorado. The 1980 BMW R100T blends classic BMW touring comfort with the smooth power delivery of the company's larger air-cooled boxer twin engines. Equipped with an S-fairing and several period accessories, this motorcycle reflects the practical sport touring style that made BMW motorcycles highly respected among long-distance riders. The seller notes that the bike was restored roughly 20 years ago and has accumulated relatively few miles since completion. Additional features include bar-end mirrors, crash guards, an original BMW clock, and a freshly installed battery to keep the motorcycle ready for use. While the tires are older and should be replaced, the motorcycle is still described as running very well overall. For riders searching for a vintage BMW with classic touring personality and tasteful period upgrades, this R100T remains a very appealing machine.
Number 15. 1979 Honda CB400 T2i Hawk, $600, Littleton, Colorado. The 1979 Honda CB400 T2i Hawk remains a lightweight and approachable vintage Honda twin known for reliability and easy everyday riding manners. Honda's Hawk models became popular because of their comfortable ergonomics, simple maintenance, and dependable performance, qualities that still make them attractive entry-level classics today. This example is currently a partially completed project motorcycle that has been sitting for some time but includes numerous replacement parts already installed. Recent work reportedly includes brakes, tires, chain, sprockets, and air filter replacement, with additional removed factory parts included in the sale. Although the bike does not currently have a title, the seller notes that the VIN is clean. At only $600, this CB400 T2i offers an inexpensive opportunity for someone interested in restoring or customizing a vintage Honda street bike.